try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Alexis Michala channel. If you are new here, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure you leave a comment down below. Let's, start a discussion down in the chat. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at I am Alexis Michala. So now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So today we are unboxing Sophie's new bowl. So I bought her a new ceramic bowl set from Amazon. So I had to purchase her new bowls because her old bowls were starting to rust. So this is, I believe, the third or fourth bowl set that I've had to purchase her within the last year. The first set that I ever bought her was from the Kneader Feeder brand, and that is the bowl that she had up until she turned, maybe it was a year old, or maybe it was when she was like 8 months or so. That's when she had that bowl. And then I kind of transitioned her as she started to get older and she got taller, and she was getting more into her adult size. I wanted to get something where she didn't really have to bend down or have her neck down in her bowl. So I wanted to get her something that was up to her height, right? So she didn't have to stress and strain when she's eating or drinking water. So that was a big thing for me. So I was constantly trying to find something that was within her correct size. But the two that I purchased from Chewy, they were a little bit shorter. They weren't necessarily low to the bottom as the first one that I purchased, but it wasn't necessarily the height that I wanted. Also, though the second bowl that I bought from Chewy, it was metal, but it started to rust within like the first month or two maybe of me getting that, so that was kind of frustrating. But the first set that I bought from Chewy, it also started to rust as well, but it was coated with some type of plastic, but it was still overall a metal bowl, and so I could see the rust coming through the plastic, which was really weird, whatever type of coating it was. So then Chewy sent me a replacement bowl, which was the marble set. I really liked that set, as aesthetically wise. It was really pleasing to the eye. But again, with these metal bowls, they just started to rust, and so it was very annoying. I didn't want her, eating or drinking water out of a metal bowl. So then I decided to go the ceramic route, and so that's where we are currently. So far I have been loving it. It hasn't really given me any problems. As you can see, the stand is actually bamboo. The one thing that I did notice, because she's had this bowl for about a month now, but what I've noticed is that it started to kind of chip away. The bamboo started to chip away a little bit, especially the side that I put her water bowl in. But to me, it's not really a big deal. It's not really that noticeable. I do make sure, even though it says that it's water resistant, I try to make sure that I do wipe up any water that she does spill on it, just because I want to be extra cautious. But yeah, so far I've been loving it. It fits her perfectly height wise and everything. The bowls are a tiny bit bigger than I would have liked, but it's not really a huge deal to me. So now just watch me kind of assemble the rest of it, and I'll speak with you guys in a second. So just really quick, I did forget to mention that this stand is adjustable, so you can measure it and adjust it to your dog's size and so height. Here I am about to sanitize the stand. I'm not really sure why, but sometimes when I get items from Amazon or Chewy, the items do come in dusty, and so even if it wasn't dusty, I still would wipe it down anyway, just because I want to make sure that there's as little as no germs as possible on these items, especially because she is using it to eat and drink her water. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. Also, I wanted to mention that this particular stand or bowl set is kind of on the expensive side. It's not as much as I paid for Jackson's Kneader Feeder set, because for that I paid about $65 for that. This one is closer to $50 with taxes and if you have to pay for shipping. Currently the price is listed at $43.79 brand new. So I definitely think that is worth the investment. I'm hoping, knock on wood, that this can last her a really long time. I don't really want to keep switching up you know, and keep spending money on things that are not going to last. But I really have a lot of faith that this will last and this will be, you know, it for her. The only thing is, of course, because the bowls are ceramic, you know, you want to be extra careful. But the plus is that you can actually heat this up in a microwave. So if you make your dog some food, or, you know, if you buy store-bought food that's already pre-made and you want to heat it up, you totally can put it in a microwave. So that's the plus. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys the evolution of Sophie's bowls. So those two in the middle, those are the ones that I got from Chewy. And then when you just saw the first one, that is the bowl that she started off with when she first came home, and what she ended up with for about a year. And then the other ones came after. So there are great changes, as you can see, to the bowls, but so far the bamboo stand has been my favorite. So I just wanted to mention that you can purchase the same exact stand. If you click the link in the description box, it'll take you exactly to the product where you can purchase it. You know, just sign into your Amazon account and there you go. It did not take long for it to get shipped to our house at all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and please leave a comment down below if you would purchase this bowl for your pet. I would love to know what you guys think about it, and of course, again, if you guys would purchase it as well. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at I am Alexis Michala, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I leave